Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to remotely access an employee's system using EmpMonitor's Screencast feature. Start by heading to the Employees section from the main menu. Select the employee you'd like to connect with, then click the Screencast tab. Here, you'll see the screen preview window. Below, you'll find controls like Connect and Disconnect. When you're ready, click Connect to instantly access the employee's desktop in real time. Once connected, it's like you're right there. You can browse files, open or close applications, manage settings, and monitor browser activity effortlessly. Need to guide an employee through a specific task? Open their browser, navigate to the website, and walk them through every step. And that's how you use the Screencast feature in EmpMonitor to access and manage employee systems remotely. It's secure, efficient, and perfect for troubleshooting or workflow support.